like, share, and subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. Yo. Welcome to the channel. It's your boy EV Smoke, ATX, Big Texas. Hey, I want to, doing this video here that I'm kind of recapping something that I never did put out a video. I want to check this video out about how I do it at the racetracks. From your old traditional way when you're using generators to power your things at the track, like your trailer and so on and so on. But I'm going to show you what I believe in, the direction that I'm going. I'm speaking for myself because experiencing what I like so far and can see the future going to it. So check it out. Come with me right quick. Boom. All right, so this is I'm going to this garage over here. Let the second bay up. So I'm gonna show this what I'm talking about right here. So like traditional way when you use at the tracks, which is my pretty much gas generator here, right? This bad boy, I ain't gonna lie, this bad boy has been good to me. I can't lie, I can't take it, I can't knock it. This is a big boy. This is a big power there. If you know, you know. But this bad boy right here, I haven't used it in a while. For them at the tracks, those hot days. But this is what I'm saying. I'm basically on this next video that you're gonna see why I pretty much replace using this one until with some like my Jackeries here. My Jackeries. So I'm gonna show you this video to speak more in depth about it. And kind of give you an example on why this has changed my way here. Going from using traditional this guy to using my Jackery and the solar panels for them at the track, at those nice sunny days at the track. All right, so yeah, let me turn this around right quick. Let's see. All right, there I go. So, but yeah, like I say, I'm finna show the video that, like I say, I did several months ago at the track of what I replaced using my gas generator with to this generator, which it's been, you know, I love it, you know, and the solar panels there when the sun out to keep them powered in the daytime. But this next slide here, I'm going to show you, it'll go more in depth about it. It'll go more in depth about it. So check this video out and tell me what you think. This is where your boy EV Smoke doing it, you know, clean energy. Shout out to Jackery. Hey, Jackery. I love it. Check it out. This one. Boom. What's going on, y'all? This is EV Smoke, ATX, out of Austin, Texas. I want to make a quick demo of how we do it here at the track for the future of clean energy. Instead of using a gas generator like I typically used to use in the past, I want you to see my Jackery. Using my Jackery system here. It powers the unit of my trailer with the AC and everything. We're getting right now producing the energy from the beautiful sun. Beautiful sun over here. So the sun is powering this right here, which look here. It's producing our own energy. Going to my trailer here. Going to the trailer. The 30 ounce here. Power the 125 volt. I use this one as well for my fans. Use this one for my fans, for my lights and things like that as well. I didn't bring out the big fans just yet, but thank God it wasn't that hot out here in Texas like it used to be today on this beautiful Sunday ahead racetrack. So let's turn you right this way, y'all. See the sun is powering my solar panel. That's EV Smoke right there, chilling in the hut, here to do his thing. So I want you to come in here right quick and see. Come on in. Excuse the mess here. It's a race trailer. You know, we always on the go. So look here.
So I got the AC on right now. Power in the trailer, nice, good, cool. Feels good in here, air. Also, too, I got my main one. Also, too, that one can power the microwave and the refrigerator as well. So, you know, we have our nice little snacks and drinks and so on. We don't want to use our cooler, but JACKERY is my way to go here. That's my go-to as far as the new generator out here. So, like I say, can't go wrong. Daytime, producing your own energy, keeping the battery pack nice and right. For at nighttime, when the sun goes down, it can keep us on our journey. That's our powering the whole day. Clean, good energy. I want to do something different, bring something different to the table. It's like with the EV racing that I do. It's just something different with nice, good, clean energy here. Check us out. JACKERY. I love the product. I'll be back in a minute at nighttime to show what us some hours. Peace. I'm gonna get it on. I'm gonna get it on here at XRP today. Just trying to get me a couple locked-in races. I'm gonna go ride my cyber quad to go get a couple. I'm trying to find me some locked-in races to see who wanna take the smoke today. Yeah. I'm gonna dance some smoke. So the sun has been down. Like, it's kind of cloudy. Hoping it'll rain time. Hope the rain holds off. But the weather feeling real nice and good right now. Some good weather. Look at smoke. He walk by and he wakes up and ready to go. He's ready for war. I'm gonna get a good. This is my setup. Let me show you my little setup. EV Smoke ATX setup. You know, with my professional trailer and all. Tent and everything. Nice, good, cozy. EV low. Put it low. Wait till Cybertruck get here. So it ain't get crazy. Waiting on my Cybertruck. Look at this. Come into the Hummer home. Feels good up in here, nice and cold. You gotta excuse the mess though, you know. We try to keep it clean, but you know, it'd be hard sometimes though. But it feels nice, good, and cozy out here as we wait, you know, as the day go by. So, follow me on the journey here, baby. EV Smoke ATX, Austin, Texas, baby, and I'm gonna get some good footage here, some good races today. Win or lose, baby, we'll run it all. It's back, and as you can see now, earlier I showed you when the sun was out that my JACKERY is powering my trailer. Now it's nighttime, no sun, got plenty of power. It's steady going. And then also too, I'm using this one here to do all my outside, like my fans and my lights, to my canopy set up here. As you can see, come on, let me show you right quick. Put power to all your lights here. I love it. The JACKERY clean generator. So nice. Ooh, it feels good up in here. Ooh, it feels good here. I wish you could feel it. It feels so good. So you want those snowballs in there? Like I said, the JACKERY power and all this. Can't go wrong. Extra power there, JACKERY for the refrigerator, microwave, and so on. That's my big fan right here that if we want to bring out if needed. And hey, can't go wrong there with that JACKERY. No loud noise, no fuel or anything, no gas, no gas. But Like I said, I just want to get another shot of the nighttime. Get all this right here for me right quick. EV Smoke. EV Smoke, ATX, Austin, Texas, baby. Jack.
Like, share, and subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell.